Evening, and this is Ramon, and now we are on the 13th uh, lab exercise um, for the course Computer Aided Drafting for Alma University. So let's start. Let's see the problem. It says here that using line, isoplane, ellipse, strip, and demerit command draw the isometric view of the object below, include the dimensions of the object. So these are the object. Okay. So now to do this, I will not follow the one that is used in this video because that one assumes that this is actually a 3D object. When we are doing ISO drop, um, we are not actually doing uh, uh, a real 3D object. There is a 3D way to do things in AutoCAD, and I also draft. It's just a flat wireframe, a pretending 3D, should we say. So let's start. What I'm going to do is to draw each object one at a time, okay? So let's do first this base. Oops. This base here, down here, right? So now let's start. Before we start, we go to the isometric view using ISO draft, and let's go to the top. Okay. Now we are on the top. So let's make it a little bit smaller. Okay, because we will start to draw the lines. So let's make sure that ortho is on. D is on, okay, and O snap is on. It is on. Okay, so now we can start. So we draw a line from the center, from the origin, so that is 0, 0, going to here at 40. 40, okay. Then going through here at 70. Well, let's try 40 first. Let's one by one do it. Okay. So again 30, going the same direction. Then going here 40. Then going here 30 again. You'll see why I do it this way. Uh, um, and then let's go back to the origin. Okay. So now let's some window. I mean. So let's zoom to this big. Okay. So this is the top. So if we are look at this is the top. Okay. So we go down again. We go to in Mac it's function F5 to change the view. Okay. This is good enough. So this is the left view. Okay. So we go draw a line again. Draw. Oh, sorry. A line. Let's start with this. Oops. I changed mouse because this one is not good. Okay. So I'll start here, going down by 20, and then here again 9, starting here, then going down 20, and here we might as well put 40 here. So and then go up. Now, so all we have to do is to connect this. So line, let's connect this and this. You see, as I told you, this is not an actual 3D. So we cannot do this. This is an actual 3D. It's just a plot drawing. Okay. Now, we have completed this. Now we have to fillet this. Now we cannot fillet it because this is not a true 3D. So these are not actually perpendicular to each other. So we cannot do fillet. So what we do is to do it by ISO plane. So what we do is to from this line we go one more thing. The 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 radius of the curve here is not given. So I will assume it at 10 radius. So from this line I create another line going, I must change view to the top. Okay. From this line, I will create a line going here, which is 10. Oops, 10. So 10, okay. And going there indefinitely. And then here, okay, from here, let's draw a line that is also 10. 9. From here, going here at 10. Then let's go here indefinitely. Okay. So then need this line, delete. Then need this line, delete. So our circle will center here. So let's do the ISO circle is in the ellipse command. So ellipse. Okay. Then let's choose ISO circle I, and then we'll have this with the radius of 10. Okay. So we have it here. So for this one, we just copy this, copy to this point and take it to the other side. Now, we have it already. So let's get rid of this line. We don't need it anymore. We don't need it anymore. Okay. So, and we select this and we trim this, 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 and the circle here, and this. Okay, now, so now it's perfect. Okay, now we draw a line. Let's change view to the left or to the right, whichever. So function F5. Okay. Then let's draw a line here going down, pretending to go down. Okay, to indefinite. Okay, and then let's copy this and this. Let's copy this too. Copy with this as the base point, and let's go down. Now it's okay. So let's remove this line. Delete. Now we're going to remove this line. Delete. And we're going to trim this. So we'll trim. This, this, and this, and this, and this. Where I can delete that. Okay. Now we can, let's draw a line here, line from here to there, okay? So let's trim again. Trim this one and this one. Now it's Okay, okay. You might have noticed that I cut the movie because I made a mistake. And my mistake is I should have put this on the zero layer and then change the color to yellow. Should have done that before. Okay, anyway. So now it's done. Okay, so we're back here. What we do now, sorry, it's very cold in my room. I have to turn up the AC. Okay, now what we should do now is to create this rectangle or triangle shaped wall there. So to do that, let's draw a line again. Oh, I must be on the top view. So function F5. Okay, I'm in the top view. So I'll go here and draw. So this should be the default. Okay, a line should go here and going there at 10. You will see why I do that. Now, let's copy this line. Copy, because we want to draw 50, 40. So let's copy it on top. Okay, and then let's go to the left view. Left view, there. Okay. Now, we will draw line here, line going here to somewhere there at 10. Okay, now we are going to connect it here. Okay, see, we are not on the, we're not 3D because it's if it is 3D, uh, it will not be snapping on lines that are not on the same plane. So this is not 3D actually. So we copy this, copy to this, oops, copy to this, and here as well. Then we connect the line, this line to this line, and going down here to this line. So now all we have to do is to remove these lines. Okay? This one we can put it here first. Maybe there is a need for us to use that, but this one we can completely delete. Okay? Now we have that. Now we want to draw this L wall here. L wall. This wall. Okay? So to do that, let's go again um, to the top view function. F5. And let's get rid of this. Why did we put this? Okay, anyway. Then let's draw a line here from here going there at 40. Okay. Then going here at, what is it? 20 plus 10, 30. So 30. Then going here at 10 again. And then going here at uh, 30 minus, so 20. Then let's connect this up to it. Okay. Then remove this line. Putting lines and removing it again. Okay. So now we don't need this line and this line. Okay. Now we draw a line. Let's go to the right side function. We draw a line connecting this to this, and then 10 here, and then going up again, and then let's start the line here, 9, here, going there, where is it? Because we are not in the top view. Okay, let's go to the top view, the pretended top view. Let's go here and line off 40 or 20, and then let's go up here. Okay, and now we can draw a line here to cross this line from here to, oh, we're in the side view, so let's go to the front view or the top view line. Let's go here and indefinite, and then let's just bring it back to the intersection there. Okay, now we have the perfect, almost done. The only one we need is this circle kind of hole there. So to do that, we draw line here to here, and then another line here to there to get the center of the IC circle. The diameter is 10, so the radius is 5. So circle, oh, ellipse, then ISO, then here, and then, oh, we're on the wrong plane, so let's change plane. There. So ellipse again. It's ISO. Select the center. Then let's get the diameter radius of 5. Okay. Now we can erase this. Simply erase this. Erase that. Now we have the complete figure. Thank you very much. We'll go to the layout view later. So now let's go to the layout. The layout, okay. As you can see, it's yellow. You cannot see it, so let's change it to red. And finally, let's activate the dimensions and annotations. So we are finished with this exercise number 13. Thank you very much, and see you on the last exercise. Two more exercises. One is the final exam, and this one, the last 14. So thank you very much, and see you in the next video.